From CBS 4, this is Haystack TV, powered by HaystackColorado.com. Finding reliable services can be like finding a needle in a haystack. With HaystackColorado.com, finding the needle just got a lot easier. Now, the host of Haystack TV, Chris Kane.
Welcome to this Haystack TV Spotlight. A relatively common crime like a DUI or domestic violence charge can be a serious situation. Despite our best intentions, things happen. Good people make bad decisions. And if this happens to you, you want a lawyer to make sure they give you personal attention and cover every detail of your case. The team at Rosenthal and Heyman does just that. Partner Lon Heyman and associate Chris Grubbs are members of the National College of DUI Defense, the preeminent organization on drunk driving defense. Both Lon and Chris join us today. Thank you for being here. Let's talk about the fact that you are a people's law firm. The number one thing that we hear from your clients is that you actually return people's phone calls, which is just fantastic because a lot of firms really don't do that. But talk about really why you're a people's law firm and what sets you apart from other firms.
Well, Chris, as a people's law firm, we represent only ordinary people. We're not representing corporations or the government. So our firm is set up for our lawyers and our support staff to make sure we're calling back people who are calling us or inquiring with us. We're not worried about anything other than our individual clients. At Rosenthal and Heyman, we have set up a system based on our training and our experience where we really work up these DUI cases like a firm may work on a big corporation's case. We make sure that we cover every angle and can attack any constitutional deficiency in the prosecution's case, any weakness in the science, or take advantage of any procedural issue that's out there. At Rosenthal and Heyman, one other pretty unique part of the way we deal with each of our individual clients is that 3 lawyers work on each client's case. We'll round table each case 1, 2, even 3 times and make sure that no individual lawyer can miss anything because 3 people are wrapping their head around it.
That's nice that you're getting more people in, so if a client calls and someone's out, they can surely find somebody else that's involved with the case.
Absolutely.
Let's talk more about DUIs, Chris. What is like a real important thing that if someone does get charged with a DUI, what should they be doing?
Well, I would say first and foremost, don't wait. Get a lawyer immediately. One of the mistakes that people commonly make is speaking to the police or speaking to the prosecutor. Where in reality they are not there to help you. They're simply there to try to convict you. The other aspect is the DMV. You have the criminal side of your DUI and you have the DMV side. And the DMV's role is to take your license away. Things happen very quickly in these cases, especially on the DMV side. And I think that's the mistake that people make is waiting. You get a DUI, get a lawyer as quickly as you can.
Yeah, time is of the essence.
Absolutely.
Now, Lon, you also handle other criminal type cases. What else do you guys do?
Yeah, Chris, well, we have a felony practice and we do other kind of misdemeanor and municipal code violation cases. For example, we recently had a domestic violence felony case where our client was charged with violating protection orders as well as assault. And we took it all the way to trial, and my client was acquitted of all the charges. In terms of misdemeanor and municipal code cases, interestingly, we have a lot of clients with obstructing justice or resisting arrest type charges, and I'm actually very skeptical of those. Those tend to come up in the context of a client wanting to go after the police or sue the police for excessive force or misconduct, and we see that those charges are typically a way for the government to defend themselves. I'll typically do away with those charges and then start prosecuting the police on behalf of my clients.
All right, well, this is all great information. I think the real point that we need to get across is that if you are charged with a crime, don't wait. Call an attorney right away. I know that you guys are a great firm and you will return their phone calls, so I'm going to make sure that our clients, our viewers get a hold of you. I'm going to tell them how they can do that right now, and thanks for being here. Rosenthal and Heyman is a people's law firm. You won't get lost in the shuffle of a big firm. Rosenthal and Heyman give clients personal attention and professionally handle all of your legal cases. They'll work to negotiate on your behalf and are ready to go to trial if necessary. Call them at 303-825-2223 or visit their website, rosehay.com. The number again is 303-825-2223. Rosenthal and Heyman paid for this segment.